Welcome to Pearl Lemon SEO. Today, we're diving into optimizing your Amazon pay-per-click campaigns. Amazon PPC is all about the right keywords and competitive bids. Let's break down how you can enhance your campaign for maximum ROI. Getting value? Please subscribe. We release new, insightful videos daily. First, refine your keyword strategy. Use long-tail keywords to target specific audiences and reduce competition. Next, optimize your ad spend. Adjust bids based on performance data, focusing on ads bringing the best results. Got questions? Leave a comment below. We love helping you succeed. Don't forget the power of a/B testing. Experiment with different ad elements to see what resonates with your audience. Remember to give us a like if you got value from this video. Stay ahead with Pearl Lemon SEO, your partner in navigating the digital marketing world.